We apologize for the technical difficulties. Good job. Thank you, partner. And rotate. Find a new partner. Give him a round of applause.
Okay.
All right. You guys are an ambitious crowd, so we're gonna get you a new move here. So, guys, on your side, and ladies, you go to your side. We have to divide you up. Guys and girls are having too much fun together, so you have to behave.
Okay. All right, one more. Okay. They're gonna demonstrate. You're gonna listen. You watch. One, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Guys, look at the hips. Slow. Look at the hips, guys. Slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. I want you guys to swing the hips. All right. All right, you can follow. One, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. All right. Okay. All right. Tiếp bỏ đó đi à. Con nói chị tụi nó luôn thì nó tua lúc đi cả ít đài nó sẽ mà biến tới dịch tao rồi đó.
So, ladies, you're gonna be walking around. Imagine there's a sombrero or a large pizza on the floor. You're walking around pizza. Yeah. And then guys, you got it easy. All you're doing is you keep on doing the basic box step, and your arm goes up. So I'll show the guys your part. So guys, copycat me. Forward, side together. Arm goes up when my right arm goes up. Side together. I just keep on keeping that arm up. She's going around in a circle, and now she comes back. Yeah. So it's 6 steps, and then she's back with you again, right? Okay. All right. So reset. Okay, we're gonna do it again. So here you go. 5, 6, 7, go. Slow. Okay. Quick. Arm goes up. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Okay, thật chân ta cho anh chị.
Wonderful. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. We're learning this is great.
Tí đầu Thomas thở theo tan trong cái gì chế của trong lúc trong tí là nó nè. Nửa tiền trong xe hay là nên sẽ là tôi celebrate nửa bữa địa lúc của anh chị birthday của nó. Nửa thở theo tan trong cái mù trong lúc trong tí là nó. Nửa ấy khó nhớ để cái gì và để xe đến chịu của để cho của nó nè thở theo.
And the rumba that we've been dancing tonight, a lot of the music that you've been hearing tonight, you can actually dance the rumba to it. And another thing is the box step that we've been learning. This is one of the most basic movements in all of ballroom, and it helps to teach the weight transfer. Because if you learn this, you do this well, you're going to be able to do not just rumba, but you're going to be able to do waltz, and a lot of other dances.
Lo con đó T Thomas, thế này T Thomas. Mà rồi này cứ mà nó bây giờ mới còn blue label, và cho đâu rồi à, sao rồi bây đâu để T Thomas sắp bây giờ nè, chờ tan cho đi cho what gì vậy, tụ họ tao là họ chỉ tao là phải nè, vừa rồi nè, cái mua tàu rồi đi là tiền mà rồi thì T Thomas nó bây giờ này tụ T trong shop nó blue label nè, cái channel gì vậy? Có bao nhiêu thì lò phải gì bây giờ chỉ tốn nên về nữa nhở? Ok, bây giờ sao cho nào?
Ladies, can I get a hooray for the guys that are out here dancing? Can I get like a clap? That's for you guys.
You are very brave.
Yeah. All right, so now we're not going to worry about the feet at all. All we're going to do is just do the underarm turn here. I just want the ladies to get used to doing that. All right, good. We're going to do it again. And then ladies, when you're going around, think of it as you're walking straight the whole time. You're actually walking a curved walk. So never do you really spin on your foot. You just make a big, long, curving walk. So here we go, big, long, curving walk. Here we go. Big, long, curving walk. You want to walk around that big sombrero out there or the pizza on the floor. All right, one more time.
Okay,
Good.
Yeah.
All right, now ladies, one styling tip for the ladies. Pretend you have a big diamond ring that the guy just gave you, and you put your arm out.
Thôi chơi nó chỉ trẻ nó, cho lấy cho tu mua về table number 1 nè chị chế cho nó chú tủa tôi thư chị mua chị chỉ cho chị chế là nè cô chị nã thư là nè
Yeah.
ta xin nó nè thôi chơi này chơi cái
And it's the lady's left arm.
Good
So
DJ
here we
na.
go. Ladies, go ahead and see, look at her arms way out there, showing off the big diamond ring. All right, good. That's some lady styling.
Yeah, let's see the diamond ring on your fingers.
Yes, okay, one more
I can
time.
see sparkling.
Show the diamond ring. Here we go. Here she goes. She's going.
Let's go. Underarms, diamond ring.
Nice, good. All right, so now we're gonna put the footwork to it, okay? So ladies are always right. So here we go. We're actually gonna put the footwork to it. So go and get to your frame, which is, and then ladies are right. We're gonna go back on the right foot. Guys, you're gonna step forward and left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Slow. Side to the arm goes up. Ladies starts the curve walk. Guys, you just keep on doing the box step. Side together. Ladies come back in and keep on doing the box step. Great job first time. Wonderful. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Woo! All right, thank your partner. Rotate. Find a new partner.
Okay. Nữa tia. Long đua, tụ chia.
Good cheer.
Tụ chia.
All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Slow. Side together, arm goes up, step. Side together, step. Side together, she comes back. Good. All right, I think we're ready for some music now. Yeah. I think you guys are ready for some music, all right? Yeah. You learn as you go. All right, so here we go. I think we'll keep on dancing it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Slow. Side together, arm goes up. Side together. She keeps on walking. Side together, walking. There she is. Wonderful. Great job, you guys. All right. Well, let's huddle in real quick here. I'm gonna recap. So huddle in. This is what we always do. This is a team effort, learning experience together. So bring it in, everybody. And all right. So huddle in. Everybody come in. Huddle in, like the birthday cake that was here. Huddle in around the birthday cake. All right. So good job, you guys. The rumba, like I said earlier, you can dance just by anything we had tonight. The timing is slow, quick, slow. We're not worried about hip movement yet. That comes later. But we want to think of that keeping the timing with the feet. And we learned what's called the underarm turn for the ladies. So good job, you guys. Give yourselves a round of applause. All right, thank you.